Looking for a reliable way to protect your Jeep from the harsh effects of sun, dirt, dust, and rain? The Rampage Grey 4-layer full Jeep cover promises just that, keeping your vehicle's paint and interior safe from damage while offering a secure, custom fit that's easy to install. I've tested this cover myself, and what stands out immediately is the quality of the material. Made from an innovative 4-layer spun bond fabric, it's stitched to original equipment standards, ensuring it fits your Jeep like a glove. The unique diamond bond pattern prevents moisture buildup, so your Jeep stays dry and free from mold or mildew. Plus, the soft inner layer pampers your paint finish, protecting it from scratches and pollutants. Even during heavy rainstorms, the cover held up perfectly, keeping the interior dry while I enjoyed the open doors and top. Without a garage or carport, this cover became an essential part of my vehicle care routine. What really adds value is the thoughtful extras included: a lock and cable to secure the cover against theft, and a handy storage bag to keep it neat when not in use. Installation is straightforward, quick enough to manage solo, though a helping hand speeds things up. If you own a Jeep and want dependable protection that lasts, this cover is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to give your Jeep the care it deserves.